Hello. We're going to do what we call the One Breath series. We're going to kind of kick it off. I thought of this because I was talking to one of our new users, and I said, "Hey, why did you pick Senzing?" And they said, "Hey, well, the first thing they mentioned was, hey, your competitors took over a month to install, and you installed in a day." And I was like, "Well, I kind of got sick to my stomach. I'm like, a day? I thought we installed in like hours or minutes." And then I thought, I think we can probably be downloaded and installed in one breath. And I went, we should have a One Breath series. And hence, this is that. We got Ant on the phone here. Ant runs customer success over here at Senzing. What do we got, Ant? What are you going to demonstrate today in one breath?
Yeah, hi Jonas. Today we're going to demonstrate installing the Senzing APIs on a Linux-based system.
Great. Well, I am going to get my little stopwatch here started up, reset. And why don't you get going? Let me know when you're going to start, actually, and then I will start my thing and hold my breath, and let's see if you don't kill me.
Yep, Roger will do. So first of all, just so that folks can play along at home, senzing.zendesk.com. Here is our knowledge center. The steps that we're going to be performing today are under the Senzing APIs category, and within there, the Quickstart guide. There's a Quickstart guide for Red Hat first, and then one for Debian. So these are the steps that I'm going to be using that anybody else can use to achieve the same outcomes as we're going to do today. So I'll give you a countdown from 3, Jonas, when we're ready. How's that?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. All right, ready. 3, 2, 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is just copy and paste this to download the Senzing repository so that we can find the software. So let's get that installed. Great. Once that is installed, then we can do an update to locate the software, and then install the Senzing APIs. So now we're just downloading 2 packages. One contains the libraries and sort of the data repositories that the engine uses, and we're downloading the engine as well. So downloading the engine itself now, accepting the license agreement for both of these packages. So hold in there, Jonas, nearly done. And there you go, Senzing's installed. You can breathe again, Jonas.
Well, I could have held out a little longer. 1 minute, 10 seconds.
Not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad at all. So, listen, you basically can download and install Senzing in 1 minute and 10 seconds. In other One Breath series, you'll see launching a REST server in one breath and downloading 2 data sets and running the 2 data sets and searching up a record and other fun things all in one breath. Senzing, is a highly accurate, highly scalable engine, and that's one thing, but making entity resolution technology really easy to consume, easy for developers to just add to their project, that's really, really hard to make entity resolution that simple to use. And we are striving towards that. We've come a long ways. You should check it out. If you run into any trouble at all, support@senzing.com, and we'll give you some free help to make sure you don't get stuck at all. You'll meet Ant, probably, or someone else. Okay, Ant, thank you. Great show.
Yep. Thank you, Jonas. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.